Welcome to the Airless Discounter video series. My name is Darren, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the filters that you use for the spray guns for the Wagner models. So first off, why do you even need a filter? Well, the filter is used to prevent excess and waste particles from going into the nozzle of the gun and out onto the spray pattern. You can find the filter of your gun inside the handle. For the Wagner model, we've got 4 filter types. I've got 2 here with me. The thinnest one is the 180 mesh. The next is the 100 mesh. Then the white is 50 mesh and the green is 30 mesh. To help you with the colors, you can think of a traffic light when you're stopping at a stop street, that the light colors are in the same level as you would at the traffic light. So your red 180 mesh, you can use this for oil-based paints and enamels. The yellow mesh you can use for the lighter viscosity, emulsion and latex paints. The white mesh is your low viscosity, emulsion and latex paints. And the green filter you can use for your heavy duty applications. So how do we replace or change the filter? We simply need to pop the knuckle guard off the gun like so, and then you just simply screw the handle off, and we have the filter. Yeah, we have a white filter with us. And then to replace, just make sure you've put it the right way around, pops it back into the handle, and you screw it in place. What's nice about these guns is that it's put together very simply, so it's not too difficult to pop it back on, and then you just get the knuckle guard back on there. If you want to purchase any of these filters, you can just visit our online shop, and if you have any more questions regarding the gun or the filters, just give us a call or leave us a message. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day spraying.